Here we have the new updated version of the Formula 4x4 remote res shocks. Formula 4x4 has updated the design of these kits based on the feedback that we got from the community for the PX3 Ranger kits. Everything included is built to last and is backed by a 5-year warranty. So let's dive into the box and see what we've actually got inside. First thing you'll see in the box is this detailed instruction guide for anyone tackling this job at home. The front shocks are fully assembled, including the reservoir. You may or may not have the front springs attached though, depending on your vehicle. Next to the shocks is a reservoir mounting bracket, specifically designed for each vehicle. Also included in some kits is a handy tool to help adjust the spring height for any of the coilover design struts. We've also got any mounting hardware you'll need to mount the reservoirs to the car. So that's it for the front box. In the rear box, it comes with the rear shocks and any other necessary hardware. You'll also get anything else you'd expect in a lift kit, such as your rear springs, replacement bushes, and so on. So these shocks are 3-way adjustable, meaning you can adjust your rebound and your high speed and low speed compression. There's 26 clicks of adjustment in total, which means that you can have over 570 different combinations for choosing your settings. These kits are designed around a range of 2 to 3 inches of lift. They come with a lovely monoshock design, allowing you to have a big bore, a lot of oil, especially with the reservoir. And then they also are custom valved and designed around each specific vehicle. These shocks have a travel length between 5 to 10 inches, depending on the vehicle. We've also utilized bushes instead of hind joints, as hind joints tend to rattle and fail. With this many different combinations, it doesn't matter whether you're going full driving with your mates or whether you're going to and from work each day. You can just simply adjust the settings to suit whatever your needs are. This gives you the ultimate ability to adjust the settings for whatever sort of driving style you have and to ensure you have the maximum comfort possible. The kits come with a handy instruction guide if you want to tackle the install yourself. Otherwise, you can always have it installed at one of your local workshops utilizing click and fit. Do keep in mind the color scheme of these updated F4Rs is subject to change, as Formula 4x4 is always updating and continually improving the overall design. With that being said, you can click the link in the description of this video if you'd like to learn more, or purchase yourself a set of these updated remote res shocks from Formula 4x4.